Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Wexond web browser on macOS. So let's get into it. So to start with, you need to search up Wexond web browser. You then need to go to wexond.net. You then need to click download for macOS. Then I'm going to save that to my OneDrive. Now I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to move Wexond to the applications. And now I'm going to search for it. Wexond. It's going to try and open. Then you need to go into System Preferences. Click on Security and Privacy. And click Open Anyway. And here it is. So anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that this helped you install Wexond Browser on macOS. Wexond isn't very well known, but it looks very nice. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I'm on Pinterest, Dailymotion, LBRY, TikTok, and Google Keen, so you can follow me on them. And goodbye.